Go get your sniper. Game on, game on, game on.
Yeah, we can't touch them. Just mark the location.
Contact right.
Push up! Push up!
Okay. Well on top. Yeah, he may be going off to regen. Yeah, I think he's going. Hit!
Hang on. Yeah, you got medically first, mate. 3 minutes. It's got the longest 3 minutes of your life, I bet. Hello, George.
Hello.
That was 1 minute. That was 1 minute, you got 2 to go.
Hit, good. Back in.
One. Wait. 5, 4, 3,
way, yeah.
2, 1. Yep.
Go. Good. Take him out. He's hit. Let's get her back, guys. Guys, keep an eye on him running on our rear.
We're up. You guys have got to get to a site, haven't you?
Yeah, we've got to take the rocket. There you go.
Yeah. Oh, God, these modern rockets are really light, aren't they? Ah, well caught. Told you to fling it back at them. Yeah, fucking.
Guys, move. Come on, another runner going left.
Hit. Oh, fucking hell. Got 3 minutes, mate. 3 minutes.
Scientist down. What is it? 3 minutes every hit.
3 minutes every hit, mate.
Can you drag him?
Within reason, I think, mate. Yeah, to cover. I think it's a normal drag into cover type thing, sort of 5 meters or so. I'm still here. You'd think I stood out enough, wouldn't you? Looking.
Good man, walk in.
1. Let's go.
Back this way, please. Back. Back in. This way. Take your mag, guys. Leave them, they're on off clock now. Guys, can we get cover? Guys, we need to cover the guys defending these rockets.
Yeah, all right. I better take the rockets out because only the scientists can bring rockets in.
Yeah.
So the marshal went out that way.
Right, just Carol, have you guys got to hold them to the end?
Yes.
Okay.
We need at least one to win. And you.
Yeah.
Come back to me, please.
Yeah.
Let's go, boys. Let's go, medic.
Cool.
Medic. Back in.
Oh, fuck.
Coming round here. Yeah. And I came down. It got picked up too far. Yeah.
Pull back in.
Oh, fancy seeing you there.
Well, I came to here. And I think it was you. I had to back out. I was like, that's all I had. So I was like, I'm not going to shoot that.
Back in. Back in. Guys, when I shout cover, you are covering.
Oh, mate, I can move fast. Do you want me to move fast?
Yes.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Right, we can move.
5,
Yeah,
4,
because they go to the
3, 2, 1.
Right, guys, let's go.
Go.
Guys, get in front of us. Get in front of
You
us.
don't have to hold me, mate. You don't have to hold me. Not now. Just when you're medicing me, mate. It's like a medic rule. You have to hold me.
He's on your team now.
I'm back with my friend.
We're going up past here.
It's a long 3 minutes, mate, if I die again. Fucking good effort though, mate. Well done for coming back. Oh fuck! Mac, I got one. Thank fuck for that. Where am I going?
Coming through!
Where?
Keep going.
Engineer inbound!
Red!
Fucking shit.
Well, can I call your radio?
Yeah. Right, 10 minutes.
Shadow Legion call signs. I have the engineer at the village. Everyone back to the village now, over.
10 minutes now.
Right, get out on these ones. I don't have time to sit well. I'll sit with the engineer.
Yeah, chop. You alright, mate?
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, if you
I'm fucking knackered.
I bet you are. You do one like every, like blow one up every couple of minutes or something.
Okay, mate, yeah.
Let's spread the time out a bit.
Yeah, no worries, mate, yeah.
How many have they got in their base?
They got
Quick, get in it!
3, yeah.
Yeah.
Run!
We're looking for the big one, mate, still.
Yeah, I can hear you, yeah. Yeah, we're here now. Brilliant.
How many rockets you destroyed? Wait, how many rockets you destroyed so far? 1 out of 7. Try and get this one to go as well.
We already pre-armed this one.
Yeah, that one's ready to go.
Where's that too close then? Huh?
Fuck, you come check what letter it is.
I got you.
I'll take the bullets for you, man. Oh, 20 seconds. D. 10. This one's got a smoke rig to it as well, so we'll see if it goes off.
I can see someone.